Wow, y'all been doing some work. It's a good thing we put these sides up on here. Mommy try starting it? Y'all don't expect me to pay you today, do you? You don't expect me to pay you, do you?
Yes, we want to.
Hi, welcome back to Shawnee Hill's workshop. So yesterday I posted a video about my tractor and how the loader wasn't working and asking for help because I was at a loss. My thought was that it probably had something to do with this control valve, but I really didn't even know where to begin. Well, you guys saved me, or at least I think you did. We'll find out. I got a comment saying that there's a pressure relief valve in here, which makes sense. So I know that when you're not operating the loader, that the fluid has to go somewhere, and so it'll go through this pressure valve and go back and basically just circulate the fluid. And if that is staying stuck open, then even when you try to operate one of these valves, there's no pressure build up to operate the loader. So that sounds like a really plausible option. So here I've got the operator's manual. And that right there looks just like my control. And it even says for a 2424. And then right there is the relief valve. It shows the location on the back side here. I don't know what I'm looking for, but we're gonna pull it out and see. Where did that come from? And right here it is. All right, before I mess with the control valves, I'm going to check that. That is the hose going into the filter. It is sucking or blowing air, one of the two. And luckily I have some of that hose. And there's no way that's fitting. Dang it, that makes me angry. Well, the days are already going different than I expected, but that's all right. Now I just gotta hope that either Rural King or Tractor Supply sells hydraulic hose. I don't know if they do or not. All right, we're back from Rural King. They had the hose I needed in stock, so and it's just so handy having those resources at your disposal. So, all right, let's see if we can't get this replaced. Ha! The hose was not the sound. I can feel it when my hand's down on the hose, and that's why I thought it was the hose, but it's actually coming from somewhere else and just blowing right on the joint of that hose. I was looking for the leak on the hose, and come to find out, it wasn't the hose after all. It was this filter that is right beside the hose, which makes more sense because I just changed the filter, and there's a little O-ring at the canister, or on the top of the canister, that I must have not got right. Hopefully I didn't ruin it, because there's no place I'm gonna be able to get that today. Or actually, now that I think about it, I probably can. I think I have an extra filter here on the farm. I don't think this is my problem. This is just something that I need to get taken care of because I'm getting air into the system. So here we are. It's well after lunch today, and I haven't even started working on what I think the problem is. That's how these days go, you know. It seems to be a common thing when you're working on a farm or any project, really. I have some amazing news. I just got to show you. So, I don't know, one of two things. Either the filter was the problem to begin with, because when I changed the filter, it was really nasty, and I just didn't get that seated back so it was sucking air, and I didn't need to replace the hydraulic pump. Or it wasn't the filter, but when I changed it and did get it seated back and then replaced the bad hydraulic pump, it didn't work because it was sucking air. I don't know, I don't care. My tractor's working again now. I can't believe it. Something so simple as just a gasket not being seated right on a canister. I'm so happy right now. All right, let's get this thing out and use it. Thanks, my tractor sexy. Really turns the road.